Hello kids, welcome back. Colors: light green color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, ice blue color, black color, orange color, red color, brown color, violet color, purple color, green color. Kids, हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D. A to Z. Blue color A. Kids, we are color in alphabet A. A. A for apple. Letter B. We are color in letter B. B for balloon. Kids, now we are color in alphabet C. C for cat. Letter D. D for doll. Green color. Kids, we are color in letter E. Letter F. Blue color. Letter G. Letter H. Letter I. Letter J. Letter K. Letter L. Letter M. Letter N. Letter O. Letter P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X, Y, Z, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for igloo, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zoo. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.